6, 7, 8. Any of these blowers would be great. Okay, that was super cheesy. My kids are not gonna like that, I'm sorry guys. Hey, today we're gonna look at real quick the BR600, the BR700, the BR800, all the biggest, baddest Stihl backpack blowers. This thing's got some history. The BR600 has been out now for 15 years, maybe even a little more. I'm just gonna go with 15 years. A long time. The BR700 came out about 5 years ago, and then the BR800 came out 2 years ago. So this has got a history. It's a known, it's a loved. It's actually our most popular blower at Carl's Mower and Saw. We'll talk about why here in just a minute. BR700 fills a niche, right? There's some cool things about that. And the 800, that just takes you home. That just gives you the power to get stuff done quickly, fastly, and efficiently. So why would I look at the 600 versus the 700 or the 700 versus the 600? Real quick, 21.5 pounds, and I'm gonna use some round numbers here, guys. I'm sorry, all of the data is in here and it's close. So the specs I'm gonna use are gonna be within, you know, minimal variation. So the BR600 comes in at 21.5 pounds. It puts out 200 miles per hour and 700 CFM, okay? When we jump up to the BR700, we gain about a pound. I wanna say it's just over 22 pounds. It puts out 900 CFM, actually a little above 900. This is 712, this is like 912. So 200 more CFM, but our miles per hour drops to 164. The BR6 and BR7, same frame, same engine, different blower, fan, impeller, and tube. And then the BR800 comes in at 23 pounds, so about 1.5 pounds more than the BR600, puts out 900 plus CFM, and is back up at that 200 mile per hour range. So same punch as the 600, same volume as the 700. So why would I buy the 700? That's kind of weird. Well, the 700 is unique because of the size of this nozzle, but the reduction in miles per hour. I've actually found that the 700 is a sweet machine for in the fall when I'm cleaning out my flower beds or I'm running it on gravel. It's more of a, I shouldn't say a gentle breeze because there's a lot of power. 164 miles per hour is pretty high, right? But there's a nice volume breeze that doesn't blow up all the dirt or gravel, but moves the leaves off really well. So that's kind of why that 700 has a spot there. But as a general rule, most people are going to check out the BR600 and the BR800, and it's going to come down to what one feels better on your back, maybe which ones are already in your fleet because you don't want to screw it up because you want to have interchangeable parts. And then the 600 punches a little bit harder. Even though the miles per hour are the same, this thing seems to peel off the wet grass just a little bit better in the spring than the 800. But as we start getting into moving the leaves in the fall, the 800 is the big dog. So there we go. The BR600, the BR700, the BR800, all great blowers, all fantastic, featuring the Stihl 4-mix engine, have an awesome anti-vibration system, are significantly quieter than most backpack blowers, just much more comfortable to run. All of them have a 2-year commercial warranty, a 2-year homeowner warranty. If we buy a 6-pack of oil with this, we're gonna end up with a 4-year warranty as a homeowner. Hey, if you got a large property, you need some cleanup around your place, check it out. You can't go wrong with any one of these. My favorite would be the BR600. Did I just screw up by telling you that? No. BR600 is gonna be my favorite. I'm gonna next grab the BR800 and then finish off with the 700. The full line of the top end Stihl BR backpack blowers. See y'all soon. Thank you. Hey, this is Josh from Carl's Mower and Saw. Thanks for watching our videos. We're proud of the fact that we've been serving you with the best in outdoor power equipment since 1990. We're glad that you had an opportunity to sit down, watch our videos, learn something about an exciting new product that we have, something that interests you for your property, or really how to use your equipment to the best of its ability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, whether it's on Instagram or YouTube. We're excited to share more information with you. See you soon.